Hello students, today we are going to learn about affirmative sentences and negative sentences, and then we'll learn how to transform affirmative sentences into negative. So आपको कभी कभी परेशानी होती होगी या कन्फ्यूजन होता होगा कि किस तरह से आप affirmative सेंटेंस को नेगेटिव सेंटेंस में ट्रांसफॉर्म करें। यहाँ कहाँ पे आपको नो लगेगा, कहाँ पे नॉट लगेगा, कहाँ पे डोंट लगेगा, कहाँ पे डज नॉट लगेगा। तो ये सारे जो कन्फ्यूजन है, आज मैं इस वीडियो में आपको उनको पूरा करने की कोशिश करूँगी और उसके बाद आपको एक वर्कशीट भी दूँगी जिसको आप आराम से कर सकते हो इस वीडियो के बाद, राइट? तो चलो सीखते हैं। So let us all learn how to transform affirmative sentences into negative sentences, right? So before going to the topic, let us all understand what is affirmative sentence is. So do you know what is affirmative sentence? उससे पहले affirmative sentence का मतलब है जो भी sentence positive meaning को दर्शाता है, a sentence that has a positive meaning and asserts the truth or validity of something। यानी किसी चीज़ का होना या कोई चीज़ है या किसी सच्चाई को बयान करना, जो भी चीज़ सच है या जो पॉजिटिव है उसको जो हम बोलते हैं, तो उन सेंटेंस को हम affirmative sentence कहते हैं, right? So we have examples जैसे हम नॉर्मली बोलते हैं। example of affirmative sentence is Meera is a good girl, okay? She plays the piano well। तो इसमें बोला है the one sentence is Meera is a good girl, okay? And she plays the piano well। So इसी का जो उल्टा होगा that is negative sentence। Negative sentence, a negative sentence generally asserts the false or has a negative word like no, not, never, etc। यानी एक सेंटेंस में या तो वो किसी चीज़ का फॉल्स या नहीं होना या किसी के होने को नहीं होना बताना ही नेगेटिव सेंटेंस कहते हैं। और एक नेगेटिव सेंटेंस में हमेशा नो, नॉट, नेवर इस तरह के वर्ड्स यूज़ होते हैं। सो जैसे मैंने यहाँ पर मीरा इज़ अ गुड गर्ल बोला, उसी को आई हैव चेंज इट टू नेगेटिव और उसको बनाया मीरा इज़ नॉट अ गुड गर्ल। शी प्लेज द पियानो वेल and then in negative it will be she does not play the piano well। So in today's class we will learn exactly how to change an affirmative sentence into a negative one, okay? तो आपने देखा यहाँ पे कहीं पे आपको not लगा है, कहीं पे do not लगता है, कहीं पे does not लगता है। So many of you might get confused कि ये सारी चीज़ें किसमें क्या लगती हैं। तो आज की क्लास में हम यही सीखेंगे कि कौन से टाइम में या कैसे सेंटेंसेस में हम पॉजिटिव या अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस को नेगेटिव बना सकें, ठीक है? सो वी विल लेट्स लर्न द रूल्स टू चेंज इनटू नेगेटिव। नाउ चिल्ड्रन, changing into negative, how to change a positive sentence or an affirmative sentence into a negative one. Rule number 1, if the affirmative sentence is in the form subject plus auxiliary verb plus object, यानी किसी भी सेंटेंस में अगर वो प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस इस तरह के टेंस में हो, तो हमेशा उसमें ऑक्सिलियरी वर्ब लगाया जाता है, राइट? आपको याद होगा ऑक्सिलियरी वर्ब्स क्या हैं? ऑक्सिलियरी वर्ब्स हैं इज, एम, आर, वाज, वेयर, कैन, कुड, विल, वुड, मे, माइट, शैल, शुड, हैज, हैव, ओके? दीज आर ऑल ऑक्सिलियरी verbs। तो अगर किसी if a sentence structure is subject plus auxiliary verb plus object, Then in negative, it is very, very simple. You have to put a not after the auxiliary verb. यानी आपको subject, auxiliary verb, उसके बाद not लगाना है और object बनाना है. Right? So, example I am taking, I am ready. Here, am is the auxiliary verb here. So, in negative, it is very easy. I am not ready. I am not ready. Example 2, he will come. Will is the auxiliary verb here. So, in negative, the sentence becomes, he will not come. He will not come. Right? So, let's come to the second rule. If the affirmative sentence or if the sentence is in the structure subject plus have, has, had plus verb or the rest of the sentence, has, have कब होता है? Right, in perfect sentence, यानी perfect tense में, यानी present perfect हो, past perfect हो या present perfect continuous हो, आपके यहाँ पे आपको have, has, had मिलेगा. तो अगर subject plus have, has, had plus verb हो तो negative sentence में होगा subject plus have, has, had plus not plus verb. इसमें भी आपको have, has, had के बाद not लगाना है. ठीक है? So we'll take an example here. Affirmative, I have eaten. So in negative, it will be I have not eaten. I have eaten. Negative becomes I have not eaten. This example 2. In affirmative, she has gone to the market. Negative, she has not gone to the market. She has gone to the market. In negative, she has not gone to the market. So we have added not here. Let's come to the third rule. If the affirmative sentence is in the form subject plus have, plus has, had or a noun or an adjective of quality, means adjective of quality आपको याद होगा, good, bad, tall, okay, black, white, ठीक है. So अगर इस तरह से sentence हो तो negative में होगा subject plus have, has, had plus no plus adjective. जैसे she has ink. Ink is the noun here and हम लोग लिखेंगे she has no ink. Not ink नहीं लिखेंगे, यहाँ पे होगा no, no ink. उसी तरह next है I have red pen. तो यहाँ पे होगा I have no red pen. अगर मैं बोलूँ I have a black pen, I have no black pen. I have a blue dress, I have no blue dress. तो अगर सिर्फ noun हो और या adjective of quality हो तो आपको no इसमें लगाना है. Let's come to the rule number 4. If the sentence is in simple present tense, so simple present tense, you remember, it will have a subject and the basic form of the verb plus object. It does not have auxiliary verb, right? तो negative sentence होगा subject या तो do not or does not plus object. Okay? So do not or does not क्या होता है, कब लगता है? Do not यानी verb में अगर s ना हो, all singular subject has s after the verb in simple present tense. जैसे he goes to the school every day. Okay? They go to school every day. ठीक है? अगर singular subject है, if it is a singular subject, then we have to put does not. And if it is a plural subject, then we have to put do not. Except for I, you, I और you में हमेशा do not लगता है. Right? So example 1, I like your dress. We don't say, हम लोग नहीं बोलते हैं I likes your dress, नहीं होता है. ये हमेशा होता है I like your dress. Even though I is singular, but it is in first person. तो सिंगुलर होने से भी हमेशा इसमें जो वर्ब होगा हमेशा प्लूरल वर्ब ही इसमें यूज होता है, आई और यू में। सो वर्ब विदाउट एस, सो नेगेटिव में होगा आपका आई डू नॉट लाइक योर ड्रेस, क्योंकि लाइक में या वर्ब में आपके एस नहीं है, राइट। नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल हम लेते हैं, शी प्लेज द पियानो वेल। सो कैन यू सी इट हैज अ वर्ब विथ S, means this is a singular subject. Singular subject is always followed by a verb in S in simple present tense. So ये क्या हो जाएगा, she does not play the piano well. So यहाँ पे ये हो जाएगा does not. So since I have written does not here, we have to drop the S from द वर्ड प्ले, वर्ब से लेकिन एस को आपने हटा देना है। ये दोनों चीज आप नहीं कर सकते हो, डज नॉट प्लेज नहीं होगा, डज नॉट प्ले होगा, हमेशा याद रखना। शी प्लेज द पियानो वेल, शी डज नॉट प्ले द पियानो वेल, राइट। नेक्स्ट कम टू द नेक्स्ट रूल, दैट इज रूल नंबर 5. If the affirmative sentence is in simple past tense, तो simple past tense, सिंपल उसमें होता है सब्जेक्ट, उसके बाद द सब्जेक्ट इज फॉलोड बाय द पास्ट टेंस फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब एंड ऑब्जेक्ट. इट डज नॉट हैव एनी auxiliary verb either, okay. Then the negative sentence would be subject plus did not, irrespective of singular or plural subject. हमेशा यहाँ पे आपको लिखना है did not, subject plus did not plus base form of the verb plus object. यहाँ पे आपका चेंज ये होगा क्योंकि आपने यहाँ पे did not हो गया है, तो ये जो verb होगा ये verb आपका दोबारा चेंज हो जाएगा to the present tense form of the verb. ये past tense था, ये present tense हो जाएगा. So we'll take an example here. He went to the market. He went. Went is the past tense of go, right? So he went to the market. So while making this negative, what we have to do? He did not go to the market. तो यहाँ पे क्या हुआ है? The went has been changed to go. I've put did not here, and in negative sentence always remember that ये जो the verb would always be in the base form or the present tense form of the verb, okay. He went to the market. So in negative it becomes he did not go to the market. The next example we will take, Reena ate the whole cake. Ate is the past tense form of eat, right? So in negative, Reena did not eat the whole cake. So here ate has become eat. I have changed the past tense form into the present tense. I have added did not in front of, before ate, right? Reena did not eat the whole cake, right? There are some other rules also, so as where we use never. If there is in affirmative sentence, if there is a word called always, we have to change it to never, and either or will be changed into neither nor. So there are some exceptions, so we will learn in the later videos or in the upcoming videos, because in this class these are the basic and the most useful rules by which you can make an affirmative sentence into a negative one, okay. So in my next video we will learn how to change an affirmative sentence into negative sentence by not changing the meaning of it, okay. So there is also a different perspective of different way to do it, so we will learn in my next video. So till then you learn how use these rules to change So I'll give you a worksheet. You have to use the following rules, the given rules, and you have to do the work, do the assignment of changing the affirmative sentence into negative.